Sup Tho. I would say what he's been doing, but you know, he got some big things going right now.
Oh, really?
For the big screen.
I'm really loving his house.
This is ridiculous.
You know it's about to be epic.
I don't even, what the hell is he doing? Is he making a fucking, is he turning his house into like a snow? Yes, he is.
You see the title?
No, oh. Well,
oh, my bad.
Oh, I didn't read the title at all. No, but Roman Atwood, he kind of reminds me of like Viva La Bam and Bam Margera. Like the crazy shit he does to his house and everything. He really reminds me of Bam Margera. He's like the YouTube Bam Margera. Kinda. Not to the full extent though. Is that real snow or fake snow?
I hope it looks fake.
Yeah, it looks fake as fuck.
Cause otherwise it's wet as shit in there.
Yeah. Don't get that in your mouth. The next morning.
Let me go see how much it's snowed.
It snowed so much.
Really?
Yeah. You gotta check this out.
Easy though.
Okay. Wow, bro, they look like twins. That is crazy.
You can play all day in this.
Bro, when they become teenagers and if Roman's the same way he is now, they're gonna be like, what the fuck, Dad? You lost my homework in this shit. That's cool. Oh, they brought the neighbors over. Come on in, neighbors.
Oh, I remember that prank. That's my neighbor. You're my neighbor.
Oh, even though the hill wasn't that big. Oh, that looks fun. Where did the snowballs from?
I don't know. It was marshmallows.
Oh, perfect.
Let's go get them kids.
Okay.
Yeah.
In the house.
That's pretty extreme. Hopefully the dog don't lick the snow.
This definitely put a smile on my face. Man, he's just living life. That's what he's doing. And he has a family to do it with. And that's fucking awesome. But earlier when I said in the beginning of the video he's doing big things.
Don't spoil it.
Oh.
I gotta see for myself. Just let me find out on my
I didn't
own.
see it.
You didn't?
Mm-mm.
Oh.
Cause I don't know if we want to, make a video.
Nah, I'm just gonna find out. I don't want to talk about speculation because I'm pretty sure the comment section will let me know.
Speculation.
On what Roman's doing.
Oh, it's not alright. I'm gonna let you do that.
Yeah, thank you, bro.
I'm not gonna say nothing.
Thank you, bro. Like, come on, you gotta think. The comment section already gonna say something. I don't need you to say something too. You know what I mean? Just let me, like, oh shit, that's what's up. And then I think you already said something. You know what I mean? I just can't remember what you said.
I did.
See?
Yeah.
See, so, but as far as I'm concerned, watching this video, for me, and it's not a problem at all, but Roman's pranks are starting to become a little more PG compared to his older pranks. Not saying that that's how he's going to keep it, but they definitely have started, they're a little more PG than he used to do. And if you guys feel different, let me know. But if you look at his older pranks, so some of his pranks now, they've gotten a little more PG, and there's nothing wrong with that because usually his kids, well, not usually, but sometimes his kids are involved in it. and everything. But I just know I'm not cleaning that shit. Like, I mean, yeah, the prank's cool, but damn, that's like a lot of cleaning. Like, what kind of vacuum does he have? That's what I want to see. The video of him cleaning everything. I wanted to see the video of him getting all of the plastic balls out of the house too. Like,
yeah.
Seriously, how long did that take, Roman? Like, that's what I want. That's what I really want to know. Especially because all those little flakes of snow. Ooh. Then you got kids playing in it, so it's everywhere. It's like even places it wasn't supposed to be.
Yeah. It's everywhere.
Got a lot of questions, man. So it's time for us to start.
Asking all them questions. Asking all them questions.
How did you feel about this video?
Are you subscribed to Roman Atwood?
Are you subscribed? Have you seen this video before? Or did you come here for our reaction? Number 3 is important.
What was your favorite part of this video? I'm gonna have to go with this whole video.
I think my favorite part is seeing the kids' reactions. And then noticing how much Roman's kids look like him. So that was my favorite part.
But if you have a favorite part or parts, leave that in the comment section below.
Yeah.
Keep it cool.
Keep it classy.
And we love you.
Stay awesome.
Always.
And forever.